Malalarawan ko po to as pag yung mga estudyante po or yung mga teacher po is magkakaharap po sila, tapos yung teacher po is na-explain niyo po ng maayos yung dapat po ituro sa mga estudyante, and yung mga estudyante naman din po is nakikipag-cooperate din po, and wala, yun lang.
It needs to cater to one's physical fitness, not just physical fitness pala, but fitness in general, kumbaga, like mental, emotional, social, everything that involves fitness. And if you, kumbaga, if you nababalanse mo yung lahat, that is what you would call quality physical education.
So, depende nga yun sa annual plan namin, principal namin, kung sa school kung kasi ibinabase kasi yun sa planning from the start of the school year. Kung kayo mag-focus sa sports, kailangan paglaanan ng budget yun, kasi hindi lang naman ang budget kasi sa sports, hindi lang yung yung equipment na gagamitin. Siyempre yung mga bata, paano ba yung sa training program nila, dapat kahit pa paano nourish din yung mga bata, well nourished sila, so dapat maayos sila physically.
Wait, how will I describe a quality physical education? So when we say quality, sa Tagalog, kalidad na edukasyon sa PE, first of all, I have to make sure that I'm ready physically, emotionally, mentally, spiritually, para for me to be able to deliver well during the class discussions. Okay? And during class discussions, I have to make sure na naiintindihan ng mga estudyante ko yung tinuturo ko. Okay? Especially when it comes to the actual performances, I should be the one to do the demonstration first. Okay? And then every detail must be understood by each and every one of the students. Para kapag sila na yung nagpe-perform, talagang magagawa nila ng tama. Okay? Kasi ako yung tipo ng teacher na gusto ko magawa ng tama ng estudyante yung dapat nilang gawin. Hindi lang para sa grade. Okay? Kailangan maintindihan nilang gawin yun at magawa nila ng tama. That's for me is the quality education, especially when it comes to physical education.
Ang benefits po nito is makakapag-boost po siya ng confidence po or self-esteem, and nakakapag-relieve din po siya ng stress. Tapos po na-enhance siya po yung physical body mo po yan.
A quality PE program not only caters to it doesn't only cater to physical education or physical fitness rather, but also mental, emotional, social, and all of the above, kumbaga. Like, it would, marami kang makukuha sa kanya sa good PE program by, let's say, not only just physical activities, but social things where you get to interact with people in the program, and you can socialize even more, expand your kumbaga your tawag yan, yung zone mo, tawag yan? Yung comfort zone mo, pwede mo yun ma-expand through physical activity, through a PE program.
The quality, marami. The benefits, syempre mag-benefit din unang-una yung mga bata kasi they were being physically fit. Syempre, pag may nagtitraining kasi, syempre, they do undergo training, malakas talaga yun physically yung tawan mo.
Okay, the benefits I can get from the quality PE program. So, makikita natin yan. Okay, yung benefits niyan kapag for example, so ako kasi isang teacher and basketball coach, no. So when it comes to basketball coaching, ano ba yung benefits na nakikita ko? kapag yung mga players ko or student athletes, they become successful in the future, they're able to finish college, nagkakaroon sila ng magandang trabaho, and some of them are able to play in a higher level league. Yun yung nakikita kong kumbaga, pag naging successful sila, nagiging successful din ako as their mentor or as their coach. Okay, doon naman sa students, based on my experience, syempre, hindi lang during the class. Syempre, after school, some of them they engage themselves in physical activities like going to the gym, to work out. Diba? Syempre, malaking bagay din yun sa kanila.
Magandang party po nito is pag yung mismo pong tinuturo na ng mga teacher or coach, yung ano po, pag yung tinuturo po nila is gagawin na po ng mga estudyante or yung tinuturoan po nila, para pang i-action na nila po, parang gagawin na po nila yung mismo activity po, hindi na po nila parang pag-aaralan po. Kasi po yung mga, kasi po yung mga bata, parang mas nagiging active po sila pag ginagawa na po nila yung mga activity nila. Like yung basketball or football.
It's not just about the sports itself, but how you experience the sports. Like, kumbaga, it's not just about playing it, it's about feeling it. It's about, it's more than just a sport. It is an experience, an emotion, a feeling, and I think that is what one should get, or that is what a necessary thing that one should get for a good PE program, is to not just get the base qualities of everything, but also the underneath of it. The less of the physical, less of the intangible, and more of the intangible, such as experience. You should get experience from it.
Most essential, syempre budget. Yun. Sa program, hindi, lahat naman ng mga programs, pagka walang budget, ay yung mobility ng program, stagnant, hindi ganun nga, kasi kailangan talaga dyan malaking budget. Yung nga, I've said na sa mga bata, pagka nag-ano ka dyan, maraming paglalaanan dyan, yung nutrition nila, bawa, yung mga athletes, yung equipment, kasi ang mga equipment, may mga ano dyan, nasisira, hindi naman yan, kumbaga may, hindi siya yung mananatiling buo yan, but siyempre as long na ginagamit siya, nasisira. So, kailangan talaga ng budget.
Most essential quality component. Kaya, as I've said earlier, okay, yung pagiging ready as a teacher, okay, and yung pagkakaroon ng mga estudyante na naiintindihan ng maayos yung tinuturo mo. Okay? So, I think those are some of the most important components. Okay? Being ready and being ready as a teacher, and with regards to the students, they should be able to understand what you're teaching.